Hello, this is your friend Amrita. So, to beat this summer, how about the combination of mango and ice cream? Boom! Let's make stuffed mango ice cream without even cream or anything fancy. So, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon to get regular updates. So, first, here I have taken 1 liter of milk. I'll wait until it comes to a boil, and you can see it has come to a boil. Now I'll reduce the flame to low and we have to stir them. Yeah, next I'm adding about half cup of sugar. Yeah, adding the sugar. Next stir them continuously until it reduces to its 1/4 of the quantity, and it has now reduced, you can see. Now I'll still stir them for the next 4 to 5 minutes, and we'll wait until it comes to a room temperature, and it's now at room temperature, and I'll show you the texture. See, this is kind of having a rubbery texture, but we want it to be creamier. So here I have taken 3 tablespoons of milk. Into that I'm adding 2 tablespoons of milk powder, stirring it up so that there will be no lump. Now take a mixture grinder and add that milk mixture and the milk and milk powder mixture. So let's just churn it until it becomes creamy. It's now done, and as you can see, it's now creamier. Now I'm adding some dry fruits. Here I have added pista, almond, and also some cashew. Let's churn it, and it's now done. Here I have taken an airtight container. Into that I'm pouring the ice cream mixture. Next, put the lid on, and we'll keep it in refrigerator for at least 4 to 5 hours. It's been overnight, and let's check it out. Yeah, it's all set. So we need our ice cream to be the creamiest, so that's why I'm trying to churn it again. So making some curd. Yeah, and we'll again take the mixture grinder, pour it into the mixture grinder, so that, yeah, next I'll churn it again. Yeah, and see, the texture is the creamiest. Now here I have taken one Alfonso mango, and I'm cutting the head portion. Don't throw it away, we will need that. Now take a knife and make some rough cut around the seed of the mango. So basically we need to take out the seed from the mango. So you have to detach that seed from the mango pulp. So I'm just trying to make a gap between the mango and the seed. Here I'm taking the help of the spoon and taking a kitchen tweezer, and yeah, it's now out of the mango, and as you can see, our mango is ready to be stuffed. So here I'm pouring the ice cream mixture into the mango. Yeah, and placing this part also. So we'll keep this in the refrigerator for overnight. It's been overnight. Let's check out the mango. It's done. So we have to peel off the skin of the mango. I know it's chilled, so it's very difficult to even hold it, but trust me, it's worth trying. So I'm trying to peel off the skin of the mango. Yeah, as you can see, it's very easy. Now chopping off the head portion. Next is slicing it up. So I want the mango slices to be on the thicker side, so that's why I'm making it thicker. If you love thinner slices, please go ahead and make that. So next is plating. See, it's so tempting, I can't even resist. And yeah, our mango stuffed ice cream is ready. And on the top, I'm adding some dry fruits for extra flavor. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.